Alright, so I am making strawberry sauce. This is lovely on ice cream, can go in yogurt. It's not a jam, it's going to be more liquid than a jam. So let's just go ahead and get started. I already heated my strawberries while I was trying to charge my camera. We're going to start by throwing in 2 teaspoons of pectin. Let us stir, and I'm going to get the sugar. Throw in 2/3 cup roughly of sugar. This is a small batch. It's about 2/3 the usual size, so it's not going to make a lot. It's just kind of the leftover strawberries.
More right.
Now, because we aren't relying on this setting quite the same we are with a jam, we don't have to really worry too much about bringing it up to boiling and following all those procedures that you would for a regular jam, boiling for a minute, blah, blah, blah. We're just going to heat it, get that pectin activated, and throw it into jars. Call it good or delicious. Right. That's good to go. Sauce is way easier to make than jam. It's also quite a bit easier to spill on yourself when you're filling your jars, so do cover your hand with a towel. These jars are pretty. They have a design. Oh. That's cool. I just get jars anywhere. People give me jars. I will take any jars people give me. If I can't use them, I turf them off on someone else. I don't use a lot of quarts. Lots and lots of pints and half pints and quarter pints though.